What if the world's factory decided to close its doors? What would that mean for global businesses? Imagine a world where China, the manufacturing hub of the globe, starts to shut down its factories. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's a reality that has been unfolding throughout 2023. You see, a significant shift is taking place, and it all began with the imposition of tariffs and export controls. This move, largely credited to Donald Trump's administration, sent ripples through the global business landscape. The effect? An exodus of businesses from China, once considered the world's factory. But this isn't just about a handful of companies packing up and leaving. We're talking about a mass departure on a scale that's hard to fathom. Picture this. Over $100 billion in business investment has left China in just 1 year. That's equivalent to the entire economy of some smaller countries, gone from China in the blink of an eye. It's a shift of monumental proportions. Now, you might be wondering, why is this happening? Well, several factors are at play. Security concerns have been raised, and China's business environment has been perceived as increasingly hostile. This has led to a domino effect, with companies reassessing their presence in China, and many deciding to relocate their operations back to the USA. The closure of factories and the flight of foreign businesses is a significant development, one that has far-reaching implications for the global economy. But the story doesn't end there. After all, when one door closes, another one opens. The majority of this business investment found a new home, but where? The answer might surprise you. In an unexpected turn of events, the majority of this business investment has relocated to the United States, as Donald Trump predicted. The reasons for this dramatic shift are multifold and compelling. Security concerns and a hostile business environment have been key drivers in pushing businesses away from China and towards greener pastures in the West. Let's delve a little deeper. The Chinese market, while vast and enticing, has been riddled with challenges. Businesses have faced issues ranging from intellectual property theft to regulatory unpredictability. The constant threat of cyber attacks and data breaches have also cast long, unignorable shadows. These are not just minor hiccups, but significant deterrents, prompting companies to rethink their strategies and seek safer havens. And it's not just about fleeing from problems. There's a magnetic pull from the West, particularly the United States, that's hard to resist. The credit for this goes to some far-sighted policies, notably the tariffs and export controls imposed by Donald Trump during his presidency. These measures, while controversial, have undeniably spurred a resurgence of manufacturing in America, as Trump knew it would. A significant portion of the over $100 billion that left China has found its way to the U.S., breathing new life into American factories. Renowned companies such as Apple, General Motors, and Lego have set the trend by relocating their production units from China to America. This shift has not only created jobs but has also boosted the local economies, making the U.S. an attractive destination for investors and manufacturers. However, it's not just about the big names making headlines. Several lesser-known companies have also benefited from this trend, seizing the opportunity to grow and thrive in this new business landscape. They are part of a larger narrative, a narrative of an economic shift that's changing the world as we know it. This has not just been a subtle shift, but an industrial revolution in its own right. The West, led by the United States, is once again emerging as the epicenter of global manufacturing and business investment. This shift to the West marks a new chapter in the global economy, a chapter that's being written right now. The shift hasn't been quiet, with some of the world's biggest companies making their move. Titans of industry like Apple, General Motors, and Lego have packed up and set their sights on the United States, pulling their production from China in a significant wave of corporate migration. Apple, the tech juggernaut, has been at the forefront of this shift. Once reliant on China's manufacturing prowess, they've rerouted their production lines to the United States. This move not only boosts the domestic economy but also alleviates potential security concerns that come with foreign production. Then we have General Motors, the automotive giant. They've followed suit, bringing their manufacturing processes home. This transition is more than just a logistical change. It's a statement, a testament to their faith in the revival of American manufacturing started by the Trump administration. The colorful world of Lego hasn't been left behind either. The beloved toy bricks that once came off Chinese assembly lines are now being produced on American soil. This shift means that every Lego brick you buy contributes to the U.S. economy, a small but meaningful impact by a company that provides countless numbers of jobs. These moves have had ripple effects influencing the balance of global economics. For China, it's a significant blow, with billions of dollars of business investment leaving its shores. For the United States, it's a resurgence, a revival of its manufacturing sector, and a boost to its economy. And what does it mean for these companies? It's a strategic play, a calculated risk. They're banking on the potential of American manufacturing, security, and a business-friendly environment. It's a move to take control of their supply chains, to protect their operations from geopolitical uncertainties. But it's not just the big names making moves, there are some hidden gems in the mix as well. Many cryptocurrency companies are standing in the wings waiting for the SEC to get their act together with clear legislation so they can start their operations in the USA. Among the chaos and the shift, some undiscovered artificial intelligence companies have found a way to benefit. As the tectonic plates of global commerce shift, it's not just the heavyweights making moves. There are the quiet achievers, the underdogs, those flying under the radar, who are also capitalizing on new AI trends and technology. Investors, AI is the next big trend. It is hard to really understand the impact and disruption AI is going to make in our world over the next 5 years. Look for nimble tech startups. Look for companies that are not household names, but have been quick to adapt, shifting their production from China to the United States. Their agility will pay off, with increased sales and a growing customer base. These companies' success illustrates the potential rewards available to those who are willing to adapt and pivot in response to changing global circumstances. We suggest you also pay close attention to the renewable energy sector. Renewable energy has always been about sustainability, and this aligns perfectly with current trends. By shifting their manufacturing base, these companies not only reduced their carbon footprint but also benefited from the manufacturing resurgence in the United States. These companies' stories highlights that a shift in production can not only be a smart business move but also an opportunity to strengthen the company's brand and values. Lastly, pay close attention to any and all AI crypto coins. Many experts expect these AI companies to lead the upcoming crypto bull market of 2024 to 2025. There will be a surge of investors looking for high-qualified crypto AI projects, so at CMG we are positioning ourselves in front of those narratives now. Do your own research, but one of these coins we have covered on this channel is Fetch.AI. This coin, available on Coinbase crypto exchange, FET is an Ethereum token that powers Fetch.AI, a decentralized machine learning platform for AI applications such as asset trading, gig economy work, and energy grid optimization. Fetch.AI's first decentralized finance application helps Uniswap users automate trading according to predefined conditions. We are expecting this coin to easily double in price during the upcoming 2024 to 25 bull run. Some experts are expecting this coin to do a 10x from its current price at the time of this video of 67 cents. Our advice: focus on AI stocks and cryptos in 2024. If you found value in this content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more timely investment ideas. It should go without saying, but the content on this channel does not come from investment advisors. Do your own research. So what does this all mean for the global business landscape? We've taken a deep dive into the seismic shift occurring in the international business community. To recap, we've seen a massive exodus of foreign businesses from China, with over $100 billion of investment capital fleeing the country in just the past year. This has largely been due to a combination of security concerns and a perceived hostile business environment. The majority of this capital has found a new home in the United States, marking a significant shift in the global business landscape. This shift has been catalyzed by a series of tariffs and export controls imposed on China, a strategy that has been largely attributed to former and hopefully future President Donald Trump. This resurgence in American manufacturing has not only benefited the United States, but has also created new opportunities for a variety of traditional and crypto companies. We've seen giants like Apple, General Motors, and Lego uproot their production from China and plant their roots firmly in American soil, capitalizing on this new business climate. But it's not just these household names that have benefited. We've also highlighted that research tells us that AI is going to be the talk of the markets in the coming future. Looking ahead, this shift in the global business landscape could have profound implications. As more companies opt to move their operations out of China, we could see further strengthening of manufacturing sectors in countries like the US. This could potentially lead to job creation, economic growth, and a shift in global power dynamics. The exodus from China has changed the game. Now the question is, what is your next move? Do your research, and thank you for your thumbs up, comments, feedback, and subscription to this channel. Don't miss the AI trend. We all know it is on its way. Why not profit from it?